The Mistakes People Make, episode 44, Calling Anyone. Something I hear a lot of people say is, I called to my friend. What do they really mean, I wonder? Do they mean it literally? When we call to someone, they are within range of our voice. We can see them. If we call someone without to, then we are using a phone or other device. So when you say, I called to my friend in Peru, just imagine what that means. It means you would have to shout very loud indeed, impossibly loud, in fact. The maximum range of a human shout is 180 meters, not far enough, I'm afraid. Unless you're already in Peru, that is. Nigel never makes this mistake. He never calls anybody. Also, he thinks Peru is a type of fruit, which is hilarious. Yes, and you. Inspiring learning.